Tired of moving Jira stories one by one? I know that pain. You sit there dragging a single card over, then going back, grabbing another, dragging it over. It feels like it takes forever, especially when you are managing multiple sprints or boards and just need to get things done. Well, today, we are going to fix that. I am going to show you how to select and drag multiple user stories at once, saving you hours of manual work. So, here's the plan. First, we will use a filter on your board so we are only looking at stories. Then, I will show you how to use multi-select to grab all the ones you want, and we will drag them together to their new column. It is much simpler than it sounds, I promise. All right, let us start. Fire up your browser and log into your Jira account. Just your normal login page. Get in there. Now, on the left-hand side panel, you will see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the project that has the user stories you need to move. Just find it in that list and click to open it up. Once you are in your project, you will see a navigation bar up at the top. Look for the button that says Board and click on it. This switches the view to your Kanban or Scrum board, which is the visual layout we need for dragging and dropping. And here is the really important part. Right now, your board probably shows everything. Tasks, bugs, epics, the works. We need to narrow that down, so look for the Filter button. It is usually near the top right of the board. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Work Type. This tells Jira you want to filter the board by the type of issue you are looking at. Then, from the next list that pops up, click on Story. This is the magic filter. Now the board will instantly refresh and only show you your user stories. No clutter, just the stories you want to manage. Now you are viewing all your stories. You can see them sitting in their columns, waiting. This is where the real time saver kicks in. To choose multiple stories, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. On a Mac, that is the Command key. While holding it down, click on each story you want to move. You will see each card become highlighted as you click it. You can pick 2, you can pick 10, whatever you need. I have tested this in a lot of different boards, and it works like a charm, as long as you keep that Control key held down. Now, with your story selected, here is the satisfying part. Keep holding that Control key, click on any one of the highlighted cards, and start dragging. You will see all of your selected stories move together as a group. Drag them to the column where you want them, drop them in, and that is it. You have just moved a handful of stories in about 2 seconds instead of 2 minutes. And there you go, a clean, fast workflow that turns a tedious manual chore into one quick action. From wasting time dragging individual stories to bulk moving them in seconds. No more clicking and dragging over and over. Just filter, select, and drag. You can get back to the kind of work that actually matters.